I decided to quit my job so I can trade meme coins all day. In the last 24 hours, I made $1,000, and today I will show you the entire thought process behind these trades and how you can make them yourself. So yesterday I was sitting on a voice chat in this Telegram group, which has over 10,000 members. If you want to join, I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. There's always at least 100 people in the voice chat, and we are just scanning the graduated tokens. And we noticed this DMT. It had a huge run to $1.6 million market cap, and we caught it around here. So I was able to make a very quick profit, and then we waited for a pullback, because always after a huge pump like this, you can expect 50, 60, 70, even 80% drop, and the coin, if it's good, you can run even higher. We made some research about this coin, and there's this platform called DYOR Masters, where you can join gaming tournaments in Fortnite and PUBG. This platform has been out for 3 years already, and they decided to launch a coin. The research team inside the voice chat found out that this guy is legit, and we were able to make some nice profits from it. And right now I even bought the dip, because we'll have spaces in about an hour. And I managed to catch this dip and decided to just quickly sell everything once it reaches these levels right here, because it was previously the resistance level. And usually when somebody's launching spaces, there are two things that can happen. If the spaces are good, the coin can pump even higher, but very often you could see a small pump leading to the spaces, and then everybody starts selling off. And as you can see, my PNL is already at $785, so it's pretty good for a small trade. And as you can see, trading this isn't rocket science. We actually bought the exact bottom yesterday, and I sold on this pump, left a small moonback. Then I waited for another pullback, where I noticed that every single time we reach these levels, we actually go higher. So I managed to get some extra sol. And as you can see right here, I catched another dip, and we just wait for it to reach 650k market cap, so I can make some extra sol on it. It's very simple, and it wouldn't be possible without the guys in the voice chat. So once again, if you want to join, I'll leave a link in the description below. And second coin I made some nice profit on is Cory. As you can see, I made $268, and this coin is very interesting. It was launched on Bonk.fun, and the founder of this platform said that he wants to find organic tokens on Bonk.fun, and he's going to invest into them. And we tried to do a community takeover for this meme coin, because this dog is going absolutely viral on TikTok. Yesterday, this TikTok had like 580 million views, so it got almost 300 million views in one single day. We thought we will be able to actually run it up to at least like $1 million market cap, and we actually had to quit it because the market didn't catch on. And later that day, there was this glonk war, because there was one launch on PumpFun and one launch on Monk.fun, and there was this competition which one is the better one. So that's why we decided to abandon this CTO. And pretty much all we did that day was just scanning graduated tokens, because if you are brand new to meme coins, just hunting new creations may not work for you. It's actually better to focus on graduated tokens, because it doesn't matter if the coin goes from 100k to 200k market cap, because you already doubled your money. And the same happens when the new creation goes from 10k to 20k. However, the risk with the graduated tokens is significantly lower, and especially if you do good research before you ape in. And as you can see, there's no secret to it. You just go to every single token, you search for the contract address on Twitter, you make some research, you figure out if it's a project, you figure out if it's a project based on a TikTok trend, they are creating utility like the DYOR Masters, and then you just stack up your Solana, and then you can make large bets. And as you can see, I have huge positions in Griffin and Candle, because every single day I just sit in the trenches and basically trading the graduated tokens to stack up my Solana, so I can later DCA into projects that can go into hundreds of millions of dollars of market cap. Let's see Griffin, for example. I was DCAing into this chart since like March, I believe. Let me show it on 24-hour. And as you can see, since March, even from February, I was DCing into this chart because I knew the AI narrative is going to come back eventually. This token has almost 70,000 holders. They have utility that actually works, and you can create your own AI agents, or you can just go to the store on Griffin and use the AI agents created by other people. And as you know, the AI is the main thing everywhere. It doesn't matter if you are trading stocks or crypto, the AI narrative is leading. And most of the people aren't involved in the stock market because the potential returns are significantly lower than meme coins. And as you can see, these God candles, we went from like $26 million market cap to $150 million market cap in just a few weeks. And I initially bought almost $5,000, and now my position is worth $14,000. And I'm pretty sure we could see new all-time highs on this token when Solana goes into price discovery, because it's eventually going to happen. And another huge position I got is in Candle TV, because you probably know that recently we got launches of new platforms like Bong.fun or Book.com, and these tokens run like crazy. And Candle TV is actually a streaming platform and a launchpad, and they got some big names involved in this project. They got Crypto Banter, Crypto King, BullX Neo, Ryan Bubble, Orangey, and once this platform starts streaming like every single day, just like cable TV, this token is going to at least $100 million market cap. And if this token goes to 100 million, my entire position will be worth over 400 Solana. And I'm pretty sure most of you would love to see returns like this on your own portfolio. And as you can see on this chart, Boop got into over $140 million market cap. And I think that Candle TV can do the same. And as you can see, I was DCing into this chart very early. Right now, my position is worth $10,000. So as you can see here, making money with meme coins is possible. And if you want to get some help with trading meme coins, make sure to go to the first link in the description below. So you can apply to join this community with over 10,000 members, where you get access to voice chat with over 100 people every single day. You also get some alpha messages about newest launches. You also get leverage trades, and without this community I wouldn't be able to find Corey or DMT and actually profit from it. So if you are interested, first link in the description below, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be dropping a full tutorial on how to start trading meme coins from zero, even if you don't know anything about crypto. But for now, you can just watch the video that's on your screen right now.